Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung ML1640 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and here type Samsung ML1640 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. Go to the first link support.hp.com. HP printers and Samsung printers are combined now, so all Samsung printer drivers are now on the our HP printer support.hp printer official website. So open the first link, whatever first link is, and HP official website Samsung official website is open. Here we find the Samsung, our printer name ML1640 laser printer. If it's not detect your operating system right or the bit is not right, then click at here, choose a different OS, select Windows from the list. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit, click on the updates, and this box or this page goes to the refresh. After that, here we find many options. Go to the here we find driver universal printer driver, expand it, and here we find basic drivers. And basic drivers or universal printer drivers are old Samsung printers are work with the all old Samsung printer drivers work with the Samsung universal printer driver, and we are going to download this. Here we find the drivers and click on the download, and it's redirect to another web page, official web page, and download is started at the top. It's complete now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy and simple. Double click on this setup file or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Click on the yes, wait for a few seconds, and new installation setup files are appear on our screen. Wait for a few seconds to appear our setup files. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, after that, here we find the options. Click on this next option, click on the next. Here we find terms and conditions. Select this, check these two options and click on the next. Here we find many options. If you want to new printer installation, then click out here 99.99%. Click on this new printer, attach your USB cable from your printer to your PC or laptop and power on your printer. If you want to existing printer, if you already installed printer and if you want to reinstall it, then click at it here existing printer. And if you're not connect from USB to your PC to laptop to your printer and not power on your printer, then select no printer connection. You can select anyone, but best way is to go to the new printer. Okay, all these three things are working, but main option is the new printer and click on the next. After that, here we find some options. Here we find printer name Samsung universal printer driver, and if you want to change this name is also work. But if you want to change this name, then click at here properties and go to the here we find the name and go to the here name and add any name that you like. I go with the ML1640. So my printer name become Samsung ML1640. You can give any name that you like and click on the OK. Here we find our name, printer name is change, and here we find the next option. Click on the next. Okay, now installation is started and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take 1 to 2 minutes. It's installed now in my case. After that, here we find finish button, click on the finish button and our printer is installed. And if you want to check our printer is properly working or not, then go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, scroll down, and in a printer list, if you find your printer name Samsung ML1640 or whatever name that you give that find in this list, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.